So good afternoon. We're here to talk to you today about our STEM Academy with the partnerships of Baker College of Flint and Mott Community College. This particular presentation will be about our CTE blend model, or our Career Technical Education blend model. STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, Math, and Medical. So this session is session 1 of 3. It's going to give you an introduction of the STEM Academy model with the CTE blend as being the focus. It's going to give information about how the student was selected, how the day would look on a typical day, the college readiness indicators including academic preparation, social maturity, non-cognitive skills, and then also we're going to talk about seminar on success. And we're going to give a brief overview of our partner of Baker College. So for your junior year as a CTE blend student, you would participate in your career and technical education during the morning or afternoon, and then one Baker class. In your senior year, you're going to participate in your career and technical education class and 3 Baker classes. And then in the 5th year, you're going to receive at least 24 college credits at Baker College or Mott Community College. You'll participate in Seminar on Success 1 day a week. And just as a heads up, all college tuition, books, and fees will be free. You will attend high school and college at the same time. You will be able to walk with your class at graduation still. You can participate in sports or other extracurricular activities on your junior and senior years. Your diploma will have that 5th year date. And again, tuition, books, and fees are free to students and family. You'll also receive dual credit for college classes, meaning you'll meet the high school graduation requirements with college courses through Baker or Mott. Transportation will be provided in your junior and senior year. So here are some options. You have the opportunity to start in the 2nd semester of your junior year, or you can start in the fall of your senior year. You can opt out of the option for free college, but then again, why would you do that? How you were selected. So Baker College sets a standard of at least a 2.5 grade point average for entrance into the STEM Academy. You are a CTE student or a career and technical education student, and you were recommended by your principal. Your day would look like this. In your junior year, you would ride the CTE bus from your school to the CTE program or the Education Technology Center, and then you'll stay and take a Baker class. In your senior year, you do the same thing. You ride the bus over, take your Baker class, and then stay and go to the CTE program after the 1-hour Baker class. And then the 5th year, you would attend college on campus at one of the locations. College readiness indicators is your non-cognitive skills. So you will learn how to do studying, test taking, time management skills, etc. You'll learn the academic preparation of a grade point average of 2.5 or higher. And then social maturity is an important piece of this because your attendance is imperative, as you would be missing a ton of college information if you miss a class. And then again, also, if you are struggling at your home school with discipline and you end up in the principal's office quite frequently, being part of the STEM Academy is probably not a good fit for you. So we're going to talk a little bit about Seminar on Success. And this takes place on 1 day a week. The topic and lessons on the following areas. So we'll talk about navigating your future, learning about options for your future. We'll do a ton of career exploration. We're going to talk to you about meeting deadlines and attending school regularly, not missing classes. We're also going to develop some skills for you. So learning how to study, how to take notes, how to take tests, time management, and things of that nature. So just a quick overview of Baker College of Flint. The college offers over 60 degrees. There are 9 main campuses in Michigan. You can earn associate's degrees, bachelor's degrees, master's degrees, and doctorate degrees. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. My phone number is 810-245-3983. I'm the academic advisor for the STEM Academy. Thank you and have a great day.